You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because of 3 quiet habits you repeat every single week without noticing. They feel harmless, they feel normal, but they're draining your future like a slow leak in a tire. Today I'm naming all 3 and giving you the exact fix for each. Habit number 1. You buy convenience and call it a treat. The coffee, the delivery fee, the tap to pay you don't even feel. None of these break you alone. But your brain treats small purchases as free because they're painless. Pain is what protects your money. Remove the pain and the spending never stops. Here's why this quietly destroys you. Researchers found people spend up to twice as much when paying digitally versus cash. The swipe hides the cost. You feel rich while getting poorer. $5 a day, ignored, is nearly $2,000 a year. That's a vacation evaporating one tap at a time. The fix is brutal and simple. For 30 days, use cash or a separate debit account for all your small spending. Withdraw a set amount on Monday. When it's gone, it's gone. Watching the physical money shrink rewires your brain. You'll feel each purchase again, and suddenly half of them stop making sense. Habit number 2. You upgrade your life the second your income rises. New phone, nicer car, bigger apartment. It feels like progress. It feels earned. But this is the trap that keeps high earners broke. Their lifestyle grows exactly as fast as their paycheck, so they never actually get ahead. They just get fancier debt. This is called lifestyle creep, and it's invisible because every upgrade feels reasonable. You deserve it, right? But a raise spent is a raise lost. The wealthy do the opposite. When their income jumps, they freeze their spending and bank the difference. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is literally your future. The fix: the next time your income rises, pretend it didn't. Keep living on the old number for at least 3 months. Automatically route the extra straight into savings or investments before you can touch it. You won't miss money you never saw. This single rule turns every raise into permanent wealth instead of a temporary thrill. Now, habit number 3, the strongest one. You wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left, and there's never anything left. Because spending expands to fill whatever money is available. If saving is the leftover, it will always be zero. This is why disciplined people still end up with nothing. The reframe that changes everything. Pay yourself first. Treat your savings like a bill that's due the day you get paid, before rent, before food, before fun. Most people pay everyone else and hope they survive. Flip the order. You are the most important bill you owe. Fund your future before you fund your wants. Here's the surprise nobody tells you. Even 10% off the top, saved automatically before you see it, beats trying to save a heroic 40% at month's end. Consistency crushes intensity. The person who saves a small amount every single payday, no exceptions, outbuilds the person who saves big once and quits. Let me handle the obvious objection. You're thinking, I genuinely don't have anything to save. Maybe, but run the cash test for 1 week first. Most people discover the money was always there, just leaking through taps, upgrades, and leftovers. You don't need more income to start. You need to stop the bleeding you can't currently see. Now stack the 3 fixes together. Make small spending painful again with cash. Freeze your lifestyle when income rises, and pay yourself first, automatically, the day money lands. Each one alone helps. All 3 together is a wealth machine that runs whether you feel motivated or not. That's the whole secret, systems over willpower. Because here's the truth about money. It doesn't reward the person who earns the most. It rewards the person who controls the gap between earning and spending. You can't out-earn habits that leak. But you can quietly out-save almost everyone around you by fixing 3 behaviors you already had time to do. So here's your one takeaway, the line to repeat. Save first, spend the leftover, and never let a raise spend itself. Do those 3 things on autopilot, and your money stops being a mystery. Start today with the cash test. The leak you can finally see is the leak you can finally stop.